So, behaviorism, or also known as behavioral psychology, is a theory of learning based on the idea that behaviors are acquired through conditioning, which conditioning occurs through interaction with the environment. Behaviorists believe that our responses to environmental stimuli shape our action. So according to this behavioral psychology, behavior can be studied in a systematic and observable manner regardless of internal mental states. So in accordance to this perspective, only observable behavior should be considered. Cognition, emotion, and moods are far too subjective. Furthermore, the strict behaviorists believe that any person can potentially be trained to perform any task, regardless of genetic background, personality traits, and internal thoughts within the limits of their physical capabilities. It only requires the right conditioning. Which there are basically two types of conditioning: the classical conditioning and operant conditioning.